walk down a load of stairs to get to the waterfall, then up a load of stairs to get back. And like any good bout of physical activity, you must eat ice cream after. I also got something that looks like Gatorade. Not sure if it is or not, so find out soon. Sunglasses. Slight update, this does kind of taste like Gatorade, but not as sweet, which is kind of nice. We're gonna try not to get run over by cars as we are headed back to the bus.
This corn's amazing too.
And then we are going to the monkey forest. But I'm not sure if this audio is gonna work or not. I had to take the microphone off of the camera, so this should be pretty interesting. Alright. So we're just leaving the monkey forest. It's super loud. I don't know if you can hear me or not once again. We're on the GoPro now because it's been raining a bit. We're headed to some sort of market where they sell things. I don't know what kinds of things. Hopefully edible things. That would be good. I'm a little hungry. But we'll just have to wait and see. The monkeys were unreal. They're just climbing all over everybody. Like, they just do whatever they want, and they can. And there's just like people that are in there every day to look after them and like feed them, and it's good for them. If I had a monkey, I'd probably treat it the same way. All right, so we've made it to the market, and the first big question is not how much touristy shit I'm gonna buy. It's, do I want a beer or a water? How much for a water? Water, how much? 5,000. How much for a beer?
Beer, 25.
All right, got the waters. And the one thing that I've noticed so far is everyone wants small monies. Their bills go up to 100,000. Water costs 5,000. I tried to pay with 50. Nobody has change, ever. There's never any change in any of the shops. They always ask for small monies. Why don't they have change? At home, all the shops have change. They should work on that. Alright, the hotel is finally in sight. That was possibly one of the top 3 longest walks I've ever been on. We went from our hotel in Ubud to the monkey forest to the market, back to the hotel. I'm walking up to the doors now. Why don't you guys check out the hotel? Alrighty, it's time to shower and eat dinner, and whoa, there's a stair there. And then hopefully go to sleep early because it's been a rough couple days. It's been very busy, and you know, sleep is good every now and again. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.